In this tutorial, I am going to give you two methods to make your Facebook profile private. 1. Using Privacy Checkup settings. Begin by opening the Facebook app on your mobile device and tap on the menu icon located in the top right corner on the Android or bottom for iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Privacy Checkup. Tap the Who Can See What You Can Share thumbnail box in the upper left corner and then tap Continue. On the profile information screen, tap the drop-down box next to each profile detail option and choose the privacy settings that best fits your needs. And tap Next to continue. On the Post and Stories screen, tap the drop-down box for each post and stories option to select who can see your posts. Select Limit at the bottom to change the privacy settings on previous posts. 2. Using Settings and Privacy menu. Launch the Facebook app and tap on the menu icon at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and choose Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings and scroll down the page and tap on options like Profile Details, how people find you, posts, etc. in the Audience and Visibility section to update your privacy preferences. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.